Make your dreams come true with exceptional offers on the E-Class sedan, C-Class sedan, CLE Cabriolet, and CLE Coupe.
Aquí estoy esperando que... Lo que yo espero es que el mercado... rompa este imbalance. Si rompe este imbalance, podemos llegar aquí arriba. Sería uno de mis puntos de interés para vender. Vamos a hacer la venta de 5. La verdad es que no estoy acostumbrado, no sé cómo hacer para ver el chat. Tengo que averiguar eso. Ahí yo creo que lo tengo, ¿no? Sí, ahí está. Bueno, da igual, no sé cómo hacer esto, tío. Este ha roto por aquí. Aquí hay un SMT. Me gustaría ver cómo IS viene aquí arriba. Tengo aquí esta. I don't know. If the price goes down to this level, I want to add 5 more contracts, and I have my stop loss in here just in case, because here there's a sell side liquidity. No, a fair value gap. And here, this area right here will be premium. So if the price goes down below this premium, I want to be out. Problem is that we have a little imbalance in here. That's why I have the stop loss in there. I can afford to lose $300. I don't have a problem with that. I am risking 300 to make 8. This is a quote-unquote opening gap. Today's opening gap. So I just hit a TP for 5. I'm gonna do another 4 in here. And then the rest is gonna be up here. I truly don't want to see the price coming back down to the opening gap that we had yesterday, but just in case, if it comes down, I added 5 more contracts, but I don't think that's too smart. I think this is gonna be my best bet right here. I already secured 150. If we come back down, you know, I'm Gucci. I think this is a nice setup right here. I am trading with my practice account because I'm not used to trade Asia and I'm getting to know it. So I don't want to risk my money. So this candle right here, it tells me that it's kind of like quote unquote a lot of buying pressure, a lot of selling pressure, sorry. we can back to this 15-second fair value gap right here. Touch it. We need to break above this level right here. I'm gonna do this. I don't like this gap. Neither this one. I am gonna be securing profits. There we go. Sell one contract. But I need to close above it. I have 4. I wanna see 3. I wanna sell 3 in here. And I'm gonna move my stop loss in there. We are already up $192. ES just touched almost equilibrium of the fair value gap. We have this, okay. We just secured 3 more contracts and up 340. We need to break above this. If we break above it, I'm gonna move my stop loss. Or should I give it a little room to breathe? I think this is fine. Why I move it there? Because we have a little imbalance in here and we touch it twice. If we come back down, the price can go down to the previous opening gap 2 days ago, and I don't want to see that. I'm just gonna secure my profits. If we broke above this, I only have a runner left. Okay, so let's just focus on NQ. We have a lot of buy side liquidity. I think that we can go all the way up in here to the opening of the day. I think it's very doable. We're just experiencing a little retracement in here. So let's see. We're finding a little resistance in here on the 15-second. It's completely fine. I'm gonna move it here. I'm gonna make this a little more visible for the eye. Fair value gaps that are against the trend tend to be disrespected. I'm gonna move it in here. We're probably gonna go down and touch a previous gap in order to grab liquidity and then go back up. That's what the market is telling me right now as we speak. We still don't have a change of character. This is a very risky trade because this is a lower low. This is not a lower high. This is not a higher high. If we compare with this one, yes, it is. But this consolidation is on a downtrend. So I don't like it like that. Now if we break above this fair value gap and we close above it, I'll be more comfortable with that trade. On the 5 minute, we have a small fair value gap in here. We can retrace to it in order for us to keep going, but this is good. We have a fair value gap in here. If we close above it, is a very good sign. We have a quote-unquote resistance here, another fair value gap. My TP should be here, but I'm just gonna risk it because it's a runner, so I don't mind. We already secured $340. I like this. I'm gonna move my stop loss in here. Why? Because we're creating a fair value gap, and if we trade back to it, maybe it's too early because fair value gap is not closed. We still have 25 more seconds. This is a very nice area of interest that I have right here. I want to see the price break above that. If we don't create a fair value gap in here, we might see a little retracement to the area that I told you before, which is in here, right here. We have a gap. The price is gonna go back up and fill it up. Fair value gaps that are against the trend tends to be disrespected. I want to see the price going back up and fill this gap. I want to say that this is a healthy retracement. On the 5 minute, maybe we'll go and fill this gap before we keep the move to the upside. On the 1 minute, we're still having the gap, and we have a fair value gap in there. So yeah, I want to see the price going back up here. We need to fill this up. If the price is creating gaps on the way up, like this, it's telling me that there's a lot of buying pressure, and the price wanna literally come back here. Quote unquote buying pressure, you know what I mean. Now, if we keep going down, leaving gaps, we're looking for liquidity. The algorithm is looking for liquidity to then keep the move to the upside. I'm already 340 up. This hitting stop loss will put me on 360. So I'm Gucci, I'm good. Seems that the price closed this gap and it's on the way to close this one. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Now I feel more comfortable doing this. I want to see the price moving and breaking this buy side liquidity. There we go. That would have been another contract out, exactly to the pip. ICT is a fucking beast, bro. Let me tell you. You see how I'm reading the market? That's thanks to him, bro. I don't know nothing. I'm just a fucking retarded that press buttons. But if I know a little bit of anything, it's thanks to him, bro. I'm so grateful that I found his concepts. That this is crazy, bro. So next target will be here. I'm just gonna leave it here. But next target is this one. Still, I wanna see the price break above this price, because we have a fair value gap in here that is coincide between the buy side liquidities. I expect the price to retrace a little bit more, maybe. But I feel very comfortable with the stop loss in here. There we go. That will be a nice entry. If you want to add another contract, this will be the time. This is nice. This is literally still it's almost 50%, almost equilibrium. Price is looking for the liquidity. There we go. So we grab this liquidity right here. We make it more pleasant to the eye. Bringing the colors a little down, but still keep it in mind. Now looking for the next one. I can move my stop loss in here. We have a gap. It's fine. I'll leave it here. New York is a very noisy city. We have a gap in here. Probably the price is gonna touch and come back and fill this gap. Or come back down, fill the gap to then go up. This is price action 101. No order books, no nothing. I'm in here in my computer. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. TP. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. $421. That's it. That's it. Call day. This is beautiful. This is how it's supposed to be done. Okay, chilling, no pressure, knowing what you're doing. If you don't know what you do, study. And keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing, never give up. See you when I see you guys.